Hey everybody, today I'm showing you two cool optical illusions. This is an anamorphic mirror illusion. So you have your distorted images that you put in front of it and they look normal. And this is a spinning illusion. It's kinetic magnets. You can attach it to your fridge. You can attach it to your desk, to a wall. If you have a magnetic platform, it creates this cool effect. Pretty trippy. This is a cylinder-like mirror. These are your patterns. This mirror is not as special. If you put it there, you see it doesn't do anything. Then you add these drawings, these patterns. It changes, it tells you where to put this. So when I put this here, you see, and that's the case with all of these. So if I try with that, now do it from this side. You have all these different patterns that you can use to experiment. Some of them cooler than the others. Now this is in German. I don't understand German. You don't need to know German to try these patterns, but that has explanation. You can translate with ChatGPT if you want, or you can learn German. This is a lot of fun when you spin it and you take the camera in and out. It creates one cool trippy effect. You can mount it to your fridge. This obviously just creates this cool illusion. So distorted image looks normal when seen through that. I think this is my favorite probably because it looks so distorted, but then you put it like that, looks like an old woman. This, you can try different patterns. With this, you have different patterns to choose from. You have different patterns here to try. It is simple, but it is pretty trippy. That's about it. For more information, please check the description. I've covered a bunch of other illusions and cool toys that you may want to check out. I just like these because they're very simple toys, great for kids and adults, and they put on a show. They're entertaining. You can also teach people how these illusions work with mirrors and just spinning. A lot of fun, and you can also experiment with your camera and create cool trippy videos. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I have shorts on illusions that you may want to check out. Thanks for watching.